All right, y'all, here we go today. Y'all, we're gonna cook that pork. Got a pot right here on. First, y'all, we're gonna add a little pork stock down in the bottom of that pan right there. Oh, man. Now, what we wanna do, y'all, we're gonna bring that to a boil, but we're gonna go ahead and we got our pork all chopped up and everything. We're gonna go ahead and just drop that on down in the pan. Right there, got the loco tray right there. And anyway, I'll be unplugging the lights and stuff. That's okay. Anyway, y'all, we got the pork down in there to show them that, Brandy. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, y'all, we're gonna hit it with the same rub. Since we're eating ribs also today, we can get it open. We're gonna hit it with the same mesquite barbecue seasoning, Cane's right here. We're gonna brush it with a little, oh man, I'm telling you, look at that color going on there. Right there, boy. And then we're gonna hit it with a little Southern Boys. You know we love that Southern Boys. Gotta hit it with that Southern Boys right there, like that. Now we want a hint of a smoke taste in our pulled pork sandwich that we're making today. So I got some liquid smoke and just a few drops, y'all. I mean, it don't take much of this liquid smoke. Add a few drops to it like that. And now what we want to do, y'all, we're just gonna cook this pork down till it falls apart. We're cooking pulled pork in a roaster. Man, it's looking good, smelling good. Gonna be good. We got some pork and beans cooking down right here. Ooh, them good old pork and beans. You know you can't beat them pork and beans. And we got baby back smoked ribs in the oven. Tell them, Bobby, it don't get no better than that, huh? Hey, woo! Ooh, boy, you know that Mac Ware's cooking. Listen to that lid. Huh? Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. All right, y'all, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pork all cooking down right there. Hey, y'all, look, that pork is all cooked down now. It's starting to fall apart. I'm cutting it with a wooden spoon. So now, y'all, we're gonna hit it with that Kendrick barbecue sauce right here. Get it opened up. I'm gonna throw some barbecue sauce down in there like that. Y'all, I'm telling you right now, pulled pork, put this on a slider, whatever you want to put it on a hot dog bun or a piece of bunny bread. It don't matter, y'all. It's gonna taste good. Oh, y'all, I'm telling you, look at that pulled pork right there. What I'm doing, y'all, I'm just chopping that pork up right now with a wooden spoon right here. Look at that. That pork is just chopping up. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Pulled pork in a roaster. It don't get no better than that. I mean, I know y'all seen pulled pork cooked on a griddle or cooked on an open fire or cooked in a barbecue pit, but here you go right here on your stove top in your roaster. You don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Pulled pork. Check that out. Ain't that pretty? Go get one of them old bunny bread buns. Look over here, Gene. Show them that. Ooh, look at that pulled pork right there, y'all. Gonna put a little bit right there. Maybe a little bit more. Oh man, I'm telling y'all right now, y'all. That's some good stuff right there. Then we'll come over here. We hit it with a little bit of cheese. You know what I always say, it ain't easy being cheesy. Drop that right down there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Pulled pork in a roaster. I'm telling you, it don't get no better than that right there, y'all.